There is no challenge bigger than the battle against climate change. Success requires global cooperation and big, bold, new ideas.
Our Earthshot decade must inspire action, creativity, and collaboration around the globe.
We will remind ourselves what can be achieved when we turn pessimism to optimism and optimism into action.
You are all here providing us with groundbreaking solutions because you understand that's what's needed now.
Over the next 4 years, Bloomberg Philanthropies will provide more than $200 million in new funding to help meet the global goal of protecting 30% of the ocean by 2030.
If this saving the planet thing doesn't work out for you, maybe you should think about a career in politics.
Now people are paying attention.
We can do it. Humanity can save the world.
In the words of JFK, we do this work not because it is easy, but because it is hard.
City leaders are right in the middle of the challenges we all face.
It's a great honor to host the first in-person CityLab since 2019.
Being together again at CityLab is just a real treat. We've been inspired by folks here who are pushing the envelope on innovative city leadership.
You are the politics of hope.
We have to be prepared to make bold action.
We've actually created the Mayor's Office of Social Justice and Racial Equity, where climate change has to be a part of the conversation.
Unity around Ukraine is the key for peace in Europe.
We must believe in our victory. Only victory together. Never give up.
Today, we're announcing that we're expanding our Asphalt Art Initiative to 19 more cities throughout Europe.
I know what a privilege it is to be a winner of the Bloomberg C40 Awards, and I know all those who win tonight will know the difference it makes to their cities and their citizens.
É uma honra ser reconhecido pelos passos inovadores que São Paulo tem tomado para mudar comportamentos e garantir refeições saudáveis e sustentáveis nas nossas escolas.
Thank you, everybody, for joining us today. To say that our work couldn't be more important is one of the great understatements of all time.
This event is important because it demonstrates the commitments of the leaders here today, the commitment of Bloomberg Philanthropy to advancing a just and equitable energy transition that leaves no one behind.
We'll work closely with all 15 national governments across Africa, Asia, and Latin America, and provide technical assistance and economic and policy analysis.
The United States State Department and the Bloomberg Philanthropies are together supporting the launch of a new effort to take subnational climate action up to the next level.
This is not only our future, this is our future for our children and our grandchildren. So thank you all for coming.